Welcome back. Today we are going to be working in the yard.
Yep, doing the garden.
And maybe if there's time, we could clean out the shed a little bit.
Oh,
We'll see.
That's no fun, but we could do it probably.
We just need to get ready for summer coming.
Yes.
Get everything set up, start planting things, cleaning things up, and luckily I have my mom here to help. So.
Yes, and your whole family today.
Yes, and the whole family's chipping in.
Yes.
We're gonna get it done.
Yes.
Our goal today is to plant these 3 garden beds here, and these were full of weeds. I mean, probably 3 feet tall of weeds, and I spent a full day ripping all that out and got to this point where we had to still get the rest of the weeds out. This is everything we're going to plant here, but we worked for a few hours getting all of the grass out of there, the weeds, and putting in good dirt, turning everything over, and getting these garden beds ready for planting. And we started relatively early in the morning, and then we were also just cleaning up the yard at the same time. So there's a lot of stuff going on. And my mom had already started a lot of seeds at her house that had taken off, and she needed to thin those out. So we walked over to her house, and she gave us some of her stuff.
Now we're gonna have to go on that side and unhook it over there too, right there. We got it. Okay. These are our pumpkins, but right when we planted and they started growing, some little critters dug them all up. So we still have enough left, but I think we could share those with you.
I don't need pumpkins.
You don't, Grant said no pumpkins?
Oh, I don't know. We could do cucumber. You got a lot of those.
There we go. Some of that in there.
Look at you. You got your own farm going here.
I know. There's a zucchini. Maybe get the other little clear one.
No, it's not fitting.
It's okay.
It's okay. It'll fit. Hold it over the dirt.
We just grabbed all these plants from your house.
Yes, we just dug them up.
You started all these from seeds.
Yes, and now they're cucumbers and
Zucchini
and pumpkins. So we're going to go put them here.
And I have seeds we're going to try too, but
Yes.
we thought we would just go with these since we already got them going, and
Right.
you had to thin them
I
anyway.
needed to thin them, so it was perfect timing.
I'm excited. So you were telling me we should do them in this.
Yeah, because then it could
bed.
just grow, because they like to take off and go all over the place, so that would be good.
Especially the pumpkin.
Yeah, and looking at them, I don't know which is which, the zucchini or
The zucchini had the bigger leaf.
Oh, okay.
So I think that's zucchini, and these are the cucumber. I was
Okay.
paying attention visually.
So I only took one zucchini? That doesn't make sense. I thought I had a lot of zucchini.
You were mostly doing cucumber.
Oh,
I
okay.
think all those are cucumber.
I thought I had more zucchinis. Maybe that's a zucchini here. I don't know. Let's just plant and see what's going to come up.
The garden bed furthest away from the camera is going to be wildflowers, poppies. I got some big sunflowers. It's kind of an experiment fun thing. Then these 2 are going to be the vegetables that we got, and also some herbs.
Okay, so maybe the 2 pumpkins.
I'll do here.
Yeah.
I can't have my shovel.
So how are we going to do
I'm
this?
going to do this, and then you can have it back as soon as I'm done.
Is this going to be all there is in this, or are you planning to put seeds too in here?
Maybe some seeds in the middle, maybe.
In the middle?
Well, I don't know, whatever you think.
Well, I just remember how the zucchini takes over. Okay, let me see. I'm just going to dump these. I put them in. They're hard to get out, huh? You're supposed to break them, right?
No, I just dumped it.
Oh, I'm just going to do that. Okay.
And
Oh,
then
the
we'll
bottom's...
each one up.
What have I done? Oh, okay.
Okay, there's one.
All right, so I'm just going to put one of these
Can
here.
I use the shovel one more time?
I'm digging the hole.
Oh, no. We don't need big holes. We're just going to only do a little bit here. So like, I'm just going to do this one here.
Oh my gosh, what
And
have I
then
done
that's
here?
probably good. This is going to be simple. It doesn't take a lot to do these.
Okay, this is probably
There.
the zucchini. Dad needs you.
Maybe later.
So where's the parsley? Just this row?
down
This
the
whole
middle.
row?
Yeah, kind of.
Okay.
There's enough flowers.
Oops.
We can't put this in the flower.
Those are zucchinis. Look for pictures of flowers on the package. And when you see flowers on the package, look at the pictures, and that will be your flower ones.
We are notorious for
There.
forgetting what we planted and what's going on. My idea for this one is I'm going to put these lattice, I do not know what the name of these are, but anyway, I have 3 of them.
Yeah.
from other projects. And this one is a vintage one that was here when we moved in. Do you
Right,
remember?
yeah.
We cut back this big bush and this was hidden behind it.
I know. It was
And
nice.
it's so cool. So we are going to put that here with the other two to kind of wrap this potato vine down around. Let me get the other two.
And you have 3 of them?
Yes. So I thought if we have one on the end, which I might need to get a, what do you call it? Hammer or something. And I don't know if they're going to hold, so we'll see.
You gotta be careful pushing that because they're old and they might, I don't know how deep this is gonna go. Oh, yep, it's going. Just gotta push one side.
Going?
Yep.
We could even have it go in more. Okay, well, this is an experiment.
Okay.
You know, it might not work.
Help, let me out of here. I'm
I know,
stuck.
you're in prison now.
Help, Levi. I see you. Look at the butterfly here. Isn't that pretty?
Okay, I'm going to put some in your hand. Hold your hand over the box. Okay, and you're just going to like drop a little bit. Drop them like around. Okay, go a little further in.
Into the center.
There you go. Drop them around. Keep them in the box.
And the birds are watching where you're putting them because they're, as soon as you go in, they're ready to eat them all.
They called it broadcast. I think it's where you just do this.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think so.
And then more.
Oh, I did them all. Let me see. Look at, have Grandma read this one. How you do this one.
Let's see. What does this say? Okay. It says, first you need a 4-year-old little boy. Do we have one? Yeah. Okay. We got that part done. Keep it in the planner. Should I make the sounds?
We finally got to the point where we are going to take everything out of the shed, organize it, and my mom Kathy here has been waiting for years to do this.
Oh, we've done it a couple times, but it's back to needing the work again.
You always come over here and say,
Oh,
let's do the shed.
I know. I open it up and close it and just go, oh my gosh.
Yeah.
So that's what happens.
There isn't a lot in there. It's just all been thrown in there.
Yeah.
And this shed is only stuff for the backyard. Nothing else.
Yes.
Nothing else is stored in there.
Let's
so
dig in.
yeah.
Oh boy. Some of this stuff looks like it's got a lot of spiders on it.
This has water. Watch out. Okay. Why there's water? It must be leaking.
We started by taking everything out because besides wanting to declutter and organize, we also just wanted to clean this shed, try to get all the spider webs out and the spiders, and also sweep it out.
We're throwing the first item away. Trash we found. Wait, can you grab those 2 black things and throw them in the trash if you don't want
Grab
them?
these two.
But the
Oh,
bowl.
let me get out of the way.
But whatever Dad doesn't want, I want to throw out. There's a lizard in there, he said. Is it dead or alive?
There's your missing lizard, Grant.
Oh God, he's trying to get out. Get out. Watch out.
He's going to come running. Give him space.
Oh
it's a
my God, is
snake
it a
lizard.
snake?
Is it? It's a alligator lizard.
Dad's gonna be cutting it.
It looks like a snake.
It's a snake was. They move like this.
I don't know if they understand.
Oh my God. Don't bring it towards me.
Oh,
Calvin, let Dad do it. He's got to get that bag out of here. Watch out. Cockroach, cockroach.
cockroach. Calvin. Jeez. Oh God, he's picking them up. Lord.
I hate going all the way back in
I
there.
know.
So for me, I really want to have maybe my bins here
Mm-hmm.
because he can put all his stuff back there,
Yeah.
all his food for the plants and stuff that he gets to. But my stuff I want closer to the edge. All of this is going.
We're squatting in the garden.
In the garden.
Squatting in the garden.
We just pulled everything out with the help of Grant to get a lot of stuff that was really super nasty, covered in spiders. There was a alligator lizard living in there, really bad. Anyway, we found all of this to throw out. All of this is trash. And then there was actual just trash in there too. So
And
all of this is going.
I'm going to put this all in the trash right
Yeah.
now. This is a challenge today.
That's my bed.
You know, when you have a lot of help, it's actually a little bit too much help.
Oh God, he's going fast. Going fast. God, where did he come from? Oh God, was he on me? Oh, maybe I knocked him down when I did the top.
What was it? A big black spider? I saw it. Saw it crawling. Was that it?
Yeah.
It's just, I hate these spiders. He's not afraid of spiders.
Yeah. When it goes down your shirt and bites you, then you're going to be scared.
My idea is on this side, we have all of my stuff kind of closer to the thing, the bins, to get to do the gardening.
Make it easier, yeah.
And then, as we had before, all his stuff on the left side that he doesn't use as often.
The mower and everything.
All of that.
Okay.
We don't use that as often.
Yeah.
And then all the rakes and shovels, all that on this right side, just because it's easier and that's where the door opens.
Yeah.
And we use that stuff more.
Yeah.
And then I think a lot of this stuff we don't need to keep in here anymore.
He's going to have the whole shelf.
Yeah, I'm not going to use that for anything.
Okay. All right.
My stuff's going to be down where I can reach it. What are you doing?
The thing. It's one of those things.
You know when you get spooked?
Yes. This little tiny thing from the eucalyptus went in between my toes and scared me. I thought it was, okay.
Spider?
I thought it was something.
It's going to be down where I can reach it.
Now it was time to put everything back in, and as I was putting these things away, I was analyzing what could actually be decluttered, what was trash, and what we no longer needed.
This, I'm thinking of getting rid of this. It's just like
really
so annoying.
Is that the only one you have?
This is the only big one we have.
Oh, they still use it.
I know, it's just, it doesn't even work anymore.
Oh.
It's just, we could get a new stick for it.
You might as well just, I don't know.
No, I like it like that. I like it.
You like it bent?
Yeah.
But it doesn't work because it swings now. You can't even keep it tightened. You can tighten it.
You
And then,
probably need a whole new one.
that's what I'm saying.
Yeah, it's no point in, because that brush is already worn out too, the brush.
Yeah, the whole thing is.
Okay, Grandma's going to show you how to hula hoop. And here you go. You do it and I do it. Let's see if we know how.
All right, let me back the camera up. Hold on.
Okay.
Ready, go.
Whoop, mine's down. Go. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle.
Because I'm wearing these overalls, it's not allowing it to like go around my waist.
You don't have a, that's my problem. I don't have a waist.
How you turn on that?
That has more weight.
This is the good one.
These are too flimsy. That's my excuse.
This is going in the trash. That's the final decision.
There's several weird ways I'm organizing this, which is I'm keeping all my stuff to the right because I don't like to go really deep into the shed because we get so many spiders. Also putting all the tools right where we can open one door and grab them out easily. And we're not hanging anything because I don't want anything to fall off and hit the kids. So everything is just kind of leaning against the side, and that's just what works for us. Now we had to clean out this camping barbecue because it was in the bucket where the water had gathered from the biggest rainstorm we had recently. And so we had to give this a really good clean because we will be going camping soon.
We didn't use it a lot. No, we didn't use that a lot.
By the time Levi uses a booster seat, Calvin will be out of it.
For some reason, we threw this booster seat into the shed. I'm sure it was like a, put this somewhere. We threw it in there.
Yeah.
We're going to get rid of this because we already have 2 booster seats that are going to be graduated to Levi soon. Anyway, so this is going. I'm glad that you were here to encourage me to do this project.
You're welcome.
I have to say thank you, but this was also the most annoying project I've ever had to video.
This is why we do stuff when they're usually at school
Yes.
and away.
It was very difficult because everyone was trying to be involved.
Yeah.
And anyway, so long story short, we got it cleaned out. It's looking good. Less spiders, no more animals living in here.
No,
And
no more bins full of water mysteriously.
who knows what that was? I think it must have leaked when we had our last huge rainstorm,
Yeah.
and it just all caught in that one bin, which is so bizarre. It just happened to be the bin that holds our camping.
The barbecue and then that rusted up. So
Exactly.
Oh, well.
So we're done with that.
yeah.
This is looking good. I'm very, very happy that it's done.
Yes. You can start the summer off. It's still spring. You can
Yay.
start off with a clean shed because I never like to go in there. I want to do stuff a lot of
It's kind of
times.
scary because there's still webs, but
It's the scary shed.
it's way better. I don't even think this could be a whole video, but
No, not a whole video. Just a little part of one by the time you chop it up. Who turned on the bubble machine? Does anybody remember that? You have,
No,
you have to be really old to remember that.
I do not know that.
Turned on the bubble machine. Okay. That snake lizard was probably having a good time eating all those bugs that were in there, cockroaches and spiders.
Done.